Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is the divine fruit, Capricorn. You look good, you smell good, you taste good. You judge the fruit by its roots. Are you rooted in positivity? Are you rooted in prosperity? Are you rooted in love, gratitude, joy? That means that you've been watering not only yourself, but your talents, and they're going to show up and show out. Everybody wants a piece of you right now. Continue to take care of your harvest. Take care of your gifts and yourself as you have. As I work to improve and free myself, I strengthen my foundations. My intellect, because I'm a genius, is light. My heart is warm because I'm so loving. My soul is strength because I bend, but I do not break. I never give up. I'm so strong. And I'm nurtured by the divine sun. The fruit I bear reflects my inner light. Let that light be positive. Let it shine, let it shine, let it be a service amongst all people. Want to find your purpose? Fall in love with your service. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.